Why should we acquire financial knowledge? First of all, it is rare that more money is the solution to one's financial problems. It is knowledge that will solve the problem. Most people go with the herd rather than go on their own instincts. He does something because everyone else does it. Instead of questioning, he adapts to them. The reason for this is both the lack of financial knowledge and the fear of being ostracized from society. Most major financial troubles are caused by a lack of financial knowledge and being caught in the flock. Why do the rich get rich? You know, there is a saying, money attracts money. In fact, it is not money that attracts money, but financial information. The reason the rich get richer is because they invest their money in active assets. So they invest their money in things that will generate income. This means extra income and more wealth. So why does the middle class suffer? It's simple, they don't invest the money they get into active assets. On the contrary, they invest in things that will put a monthly burden on them. The main reason for all this is the lack of financial information. Self-development is how he evaluates the money he receives.
Let's try to understand better with an example. Let's say we have some savings and we want to buy a house and invest. What is generally done at this point is to give our savings as collateral for the house. And the rest is to buy a house by taking a loan from the bank. In this way, the person thinks that he is investing, but in reality, he is putting in an extra burden with the monthly loan payment. But is it a crime to want to buy a house? How else can I buy a house as a salaried employee? What if we hadn't given our initial savings as collateral for the house we will buy? If instead we invested in financial assets that would bring us monthly income? Instead of paying a monthly loan, we would have a monthly income, right? We should have added this income back to our financial asset investment. This time our income for the next month would have increased even more, right? Continuing in this way, after a while with the effect of snowballs, we could buy the house we wanted, perhaps with a down payment. This point of view is one that we can gain by constantly improving ourselves with financial knowledge. In fact, it is not a rule that the rich get richer and the middle class suffer all the time. A person creates his own rule. The rule is formed depending on how we evaluate the money we receive.